think I'm finished, huh? No, there's another one!
Oh my god!
Don't worry, bitch, I didn't forget about you.
Making my way downtown, walking fast, faces pass and I'm homebound.
Kick!
Oh, now you fucked up.
I love little girls, they make me feel so good. I love little girls, they make me feel so bad. When they're around, they make me feel like I'm the only guy in town. I love.
Shut the fuck up.
Fuck the police coming straight from the underground. A young nigga.
If I see you on the sidewalk, I will hit you with a truck. I will shoot you in the throat. I will strangle with a coat. I will staple to a boat. I will throw you in the moat. I will eat your mother's oats. If you blaspheme me on the street, then you gonna get shot. If you ain't blasting me, then you little pussy ass bitch. If I